Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to read someone else's messages without leaving an information that you have been read those message. So first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, and right after that you will see there are 5 sections on Instagram. So you just need to visit your profile by clicking the right side on the down part here, and right after that you just need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be like 3 straight lines there. Go click them, and after that you go click settings and privacy, and in the settings and privacy you just need to scrolling down until you find how other can interact with you. Now just go click the messages and story replies. To turn off the read receipt or information about you happen with the message, go into the show read receipts. And if you want to having no information whenever you have been read the message from someone, go turn the button off and you're done. So whenever you are reading their messages, they will not gonna know that you haven't read the message. So that is the way how to read message without leaving an information that you haven't read that on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.